In this video I'm looking at the solution to question 5 of the June 2011 Edexcel FP1 paper. The topic of the question is matrix algebra. The question starts by giving us a matrix A, which is negative 4A and B and negative 2, where the values of A and B are constants that we need to find in the first part of the question. We're also given that A maps a point 4,6 onto a point 2, negative 8. Having found the values of A and B, we need to go on and then find the area of a quadrilateral where R is mapped onto the new quadrilateral S by the matrix A. We're told that R has got an area of 30 square units, and we need to find the area of the new quadrilateral S after that transformation. Well, taking those apart at a time then, in part A we're simply asked to find the values of A and B if the matrix negative 4A, B, negative 2 maps the point. Remember, you give the points as vectors for those points, so it maps the point 4,6 onto the point 2, negative 8. We must multiply with the matrix on the left hand side of the vector for the point, and then just multiplying the top line of the matrix by the column vector, we get negative 16 plus 6A is equal to 2, and then the bottom line, and multiplying out the second line then gives 4B minus 12 is equal to negative 8. The first of those equations quickly solves to give A is equal to 3, and the second one to give B is equal to 1. The marking for this part of the question was a method mark for writing out the matrix multiplication, method mark for getting the equations from that matrix multiplication, and then 2 A marks, one for the value of A and one for the value of B. In the second part of the question, we have to use our values of A and B so that the matrix is now negative 4, 3, 1 and negative 2. And we're told that this matrix transforms a quadrilateral R onto a new quadrilateral S. The area of R is 30, and we need to find the area of S. Well, this is just a fact that the area scale factor is equal to the determinant of the matrix that we're transforming by. So the area scale factor is equal to the determinant of this matrix. And to calculate the determinant, we take the leading diagonal multiplied together, so that's negative 4 multiplied by negative 2 is 8, and subtract from that the product of the other diagonal, 1 times 3, so that gives us an area scale factor of 5. Therefore the area of S is equal to the area of R multiplied by 5. So that's 30 multiplied by 5 is 150 units squared. The mark allocation here was a method mark and an A mark for calculating the area scale factor from the determinant, and then method mark and accuracy mark for getting the correct value of 150. So that completes the solution to that question. Other questions from this module and other modules can be found at www.fmsp.com. furthermaths.org.uk.